So from time to time, well, I do it once a year, you need to check thrust bearings. So this is located usually inside or the shock absorber, and it's not that difficult to grease them, but failing to do so will basically kill those thrust bearings, and you'll have some noise or problems to rotate the wheels. It's very easy, just need to remove this plug. You can see a lot of old grease inside. It's a regular bolt, so cleaned inside as much as I could using compressor, some gasoline. Now the time to put back new grease. So this is the normal ball bearing grease. Just need to squeeze inside. Use some stick or something to put it in.